Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best product reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most stylish and functional options for your home, the AIKKIL Matte Black Door Handle Interior Knob Keyless Lever Set. If you're looking for the best matte black door knobs for your bedroom or bathroom, this set could be the perfect upgrade for your doors. First up, let's talk about design. The AIKKIL door handles feature a sleek, modern matte black finish that pairs beautifully with any home decor. Whether you're redesigning your bedroom, bathroom, or any other room, these door handles instantly enhance the look of your space. The square-style lever adds a minimalist touch while ensuring a smooth and comfortable grip every time. When it comes to construction, these handles are built to last. Made from high-grade zinc alloy, they are not only strong but durable as well. Whether you're using them in high-traffic areas or for privacy needs, you can count on these handles to hold up over time. Each set comes individually packaged to avoid scratches and ensure that they arrive in perfect condition. One of the standout features of the AIKKIL door handles is the keyless privacy lock. Perfect for bedrooms or bathrooms, the privacy lock is designed for those moments when you need extra peace and security. It's simple to use, just press the button on the inside to lock it, and when you need to open it from the outside. A flathead screwdriver will do the trick in case of emergencies. Installation is a breeze with this set. Whether you have a left-hand or right-hand door, these handles are reversible, making them a versatile option for any room in your house. The adjustable latch fits door thicknesses from 1.38 to 1.78 inches, and the set includes everything you need for quick and easy installation. This set includes 6 door handles, making it a great option for larger projects. Each handle measures 4.6 inches in length, with a rosette diameter of 2.4 inches. With all these features combined, the AIKKIL Matte Black Door Handle Set offers excellent value for its price. If you're in the market for high-quality, stylish, and durable door handles, the AIKKIL set is definitely worth considering. Its keyless privacy feature, easy installation, and modern design make it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their doors. Don't forget to check out the link below for more details and pricing. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest home products. See you in the next video.